Hello, everyone. Welcome to my online instruction. I posted a little TEDx lecture on Teams, and I hope you enjoyed it because I think that if we understand this golden circle, it might help us with the development of our design. The inner core of the human brain, or the golden circle, is all about why. Why, why, why? For example, for your bar project, you first start thinking about, I want people absolutely to inspire about recycling, to save the planet, blah, 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 etc., etc. All your ideas you have for the world as a designer, your deeper ideas, that's where it all starts. And these conceptual ideas or strong ideas result into a process or in a plan or in a layout of a bar. And this at the end results in, I don't know, walls, chairs, furniture, elements. And I think it makes sense to train ourselves to make a good distinction between these three fields and to learn how to use them and to find the right words for them. So therefore I initiated a little assignment to study a website, and the website is posted at Teams. Let's go to it. Yes, it works. How nice is internet? This is the website. It's a website of quite a well-known interior designer from the Netherlands. His name is Maurice Mentjens, and his site is good structured, all his projects with nice pictures. I choose this coffee shop, but you can use any other project on this site. And the idea is first to look at the how and the what. You see this wooden furniture, green stripes, special ceiling. We see this filter of glass stripes. We see actually quite a lot. This desk to get your skunk. This circle-shaped lightning, green wall. They're all elements who made the atmosphere. A mirror. But this is actually where it's about and why I choose this website, because every project contains a kind of a compact description of the project. And by studying, we start with one and later we make two of this text, we can learn how to distinct the how and the why and the what. I think this text is written maybe not by himself, but with a kind of a Frank Kaufmann kind of person, a theorist. And the idea is we cannot select the text, so we have to make a screenshot. Let's see if it works. I just make half of the screen. I hope you can make the whole screen. And we're gonna study the text after. I made a little jump. So I made a screenshot and I chose three colors. I chose blue for the why, red for the how, and yellow for the what. So I try to analyze the text and to understand when he's talking about why, his ideas, and when he's talking about how, process, layout, and when he's talking about what, about elements. I'd like to start with the why in the middle, the blue. He said about this coffee shop, for example, that he was subtly hinting to cannabis plants. So he had this kind of a symbolism, a reference to this hennep plants. And he was inspired by the cannabis plant itself. And he wanted the people to wander around in a kind of a field of grass. So a reference to the botanical substances on sale. So all this kind of invisible information, the background, is articulated by blue. To be more specific, you go to the how. And you can make it, for example, red, another color. For example, he was making the confined space appear twice its true height. This was a purpose of how he would operate. So you mark it red. Even more concrete, he's speaking about some rows of plants on either side or extra clear glass. That's an element, that's a material, and I would mark it yellow. So I hope by this exercise, and I would like to ask everyone to do the same, to choose one project and to mark it in 3 colors and to analyze this little text in order to understand the difference between why, how, and what in a design project. Sometimes it's a blurry field, you don't know exactly if it's why or how or what. That's not the purpose. The purpose is to find words for our images, to find a relation between the image of a design and the text about a design. So it's quite easy, and I hope you understand what you have to do. I mean, Thursday we meet. It's quite late to ask you to be ready for Thursday. What could be nice is that maybe by the end of the week you will have this finished. Even maybe some of you will have it done at Thursday, and then we could already talk. In parallel to this exercise, we try slowly in our project to develop a similar text where you find the right words for why you were doing it, what were your ideas, to find the right words for how you did it, and finally to find the right words of what did you use. So this was my first improvised online tutorial. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to post these questions in Teams. See you Thursday. Bye.